This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so wonderful to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over the slap muting technique, and we'll learn a strumming pattern that uses this technique, so it's going to be super fun. Then, of course, we'll jam together on a song using this strumming pattern. As we're jamming, we will be jamming right along with the band. So it'll be you, me, and the band jamming on that song, which will be super fun. This video accompanies Lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 90 and 91. This video supplements the explanation for slap muting found there on page 90, and then we're going to be jamming together on the song found on page 91, and this is strumming pattern letter S there at the top of the page on page 91. Alright, so let's take a look first at the slap muting technique. So in the last video, I explained slap strumming. This is really similar, except that we're just going to mute the strings. So we take our hand, and if we're holding that pick and the fingers are curled in, we're just going to slap those strings when we want to mute them as part of the strumming pattern. With this strumming pattern, it goes down, up, mute, down, up, down, up. So we've got a little rest written there, and the M over it telling us that we want to do a little mute for that. And for our sakes, mute is going to be slap muting, which is a common thing that happens. Sometimes there's a different key for different strumming pattern publishing companies. If a company has published a song and they've written a strumming pattern, they might have a different key. They might even use an S, something for slap, but with my company we use the M, mute, over that rest. So with this strumming pattern, it goes down, up, mute. So we're going to do that down, up, slap, down, up, slap, down. So down, up, slap, down, and then we have up, down, up. So down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, up, slap, down, up, down, up. If I put that on a chord, such as an E chord, we'd have down, up, slap, down, up, down, up. You can practice that sort of thing as much as need to on different chords. We're going to be using the E, A, and B7 chords as we're playing our song there, Jamaica Farewell, number 8 on page 91. So let's warm this up using E for a measure, A for a measure, B7 for a measure, and then coming back to E. So we'd have 1, 2, ready, and... Take it faster, so you have 1, 2, ready, and... Just like that. Of course, with eighth notes there, we could have a swung eighth note version as well, like 1, 2, ready, and... A song tells us whether we're going to swing those eighth notes and how much, or if not at all. Alright, so we've got that happening. Let's go ahead and play this song together. It's going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. We will insert this strumming pattern once per measure with number 8, Jamaica Farewell, found there on page 91. As I've often mentioned, you can just mute the strings and worry about the strumming. You can just worry about the left hand with the chords, though these are probably very familiar chords to you at this point in the lesson series, but you can do that if you need to, and then put the two together. Alright, it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play this. Excellent! In the next video, we're going to take a look at strumming pattern T there on page 91, which is a double time fill strumming pattern. So that's going to be super fun. Keep at it, keep having fun, take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.